In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a comparison chart for this year and last year in Tableau. This is a fantastic way to visually analyze how your sales are performing year over year. Now let's dive right into it. First off, open up the Tableau desktop application. You're going to want to start by accessing your worksheet to begin creating your chart. If you're new to Tableau, don't worry. The interface is quite user-friendly and you'll find your way around in no time. Once you've opened your worksheet, look for the order date field in your data pane. You'll need to drag and drop this onto the filters area. This step is crucial as it will allow us to refine the data to just this year and last year. Following this, you'll see a dialog box appear. Here, ensure you select Year from the options. Once you've done that, check the boxes for this year and last year to isolate the data from these two periods. Click Apply and then OK to confirm your selection. Next, drag the order date field to the column shelf. This action will set up the structure for our timeline comparison. Immediately after, drag the category field and place it alongside the order date in the column section. This setup will help us break down the sales data by category over the 2 years we selected. After setting the columns, it's time to bring in the sales numbers. Take the sales field from the data pane and drag it to the row shelf. This step will plot your sales figures onto the chart. Now we need to make a slight adjustment. In the column shelf, switch around the order of category and year order date. This rearrangement is necessary for the chart layout to make logical sense and offer clear insight into the comparative analysis. Once the data is organized, change the visualization type to a bar chart. Tableau offers different chart types, but the bar chart is particularly effective for year-over-year comparisons as it makes variations in sales performance vividly clear. Lastly, enhance your chart's visual clarity by dragging the order date field onto the color shelf. This action will color code your bars according to the year, making it instantly obvious which colors correspond to which year. And there you have it, a fully functional comparison chart showing this year's sales against the last year's broken down by category, all ready for you to analyze. With this setup, you can easily spot trends, increases, and decreases in sales, enabling you to make more informed business decisions. Remember, practicing these steps will make the process even smoother, and don't hesitate to explore further customizations to suit your unique dataset needs. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.